But before we give chance for shop 100%, you know they will normally do one or two arrangements. Cross the bridge, on top across the bridge. R&B day here.
Becca Bleeze day here.
I will get the ever dazzling Lady J in the building.
Lady JJ looking sweet on a custard yellow gown.
I like your lip.
The lipstick.
The lipstick.
Thank you.
Wow, you like
nice.
that two you use?
No.
Red and pink.
Now one.
Okay, now one because they see from in between here light, the other side dark.
Now so it be.
Oh, okay. As your rubber, you go your select light and dark.
It be like they call it. You know what they call this kind of color? They call them ruby red.
Okay, ruby red.
Yeah, it be like ruby red.
It fits you.
Ruby red. I mean ruby woo.
Ruby red.
It brings out your beauty.
Yeah, it suits you.
It suits you. If you always want to take kiss now, you
don't see Lady J
yesterday. For yesterday. Oh, he wear cocoa. But listen, Lady J can't define. You want to go carry food? Lady J they waka like who?
Like who waiting?
Like who like the pay? I watch her say put the shoe.
No be the shoe. No be the shoe. The shoe except the size where I even select they bigger.
Oh,
when I even buy them, I find out say
it dey bigger. Okay.
So what happen? I say. I dey walk on top. If I dey walk on top all this gravel for us,
yeah.
I know they like put my leg down so I no go spoil the heel.
Okay. Oh,
that
make you dey waka like yesterday. If you see Lady J, I call the wonder which have leg dey pain. If leg dey pain, pull the shoe down. You get. But you were looking smart yesterday.
Thank you.
When last man just look you say, oh, I love you. I love what I'm seeing. When last be that?
When man look me say I love what I'm seeing.
Yeah.
It don't taste small, though. It don't taste small. Don't taste small.
But you the label last year, self.
Few times, very few times. Last year, no be year I go lie remember because.
Okay, a lot happened. Yeah, not be like we see a lot. But the year before, the
year before, they get a lot of compliments.
Based on your doings. Anyway, nice. It's good because sometimes as a good man, you need to check whether they get compliment or not. Then you know you can adjust. Me
too. Not only Lady J.
You not be every day that they like you. Come on, get out here. Not be every day. Every day that they like you. I want to. Now your colleague said, send me a number now. Let me say hi to her. That your colleague say, is she alright? Me where they ask, they never ask me, am I alright? Oh, now my colleague, if they just see me outside, Aaron, are you? How Becca now? You don't even ask me when they see. You don't ask me, say, Aaron, are you okay? Are you passing through anything? Now Becca, they ask for. See this one. You want to look for attention when you get attention.
No, it's like the three of us day. They only ask Lady J.
Because your own, it do unnecessary.
I don't understand. Is it unnecessary?
Because the number you they get attention anyhow, Becca, please. We know now.
Wow.
You don't know what you carry.
What do you carry?
You know, people don't imagine a lot of things about you.
Wow, I didn't know about this.
Why is it this? Why the action?
Wow.
Not be one tell you say I will take you to UK, but if we reach UK, we go do.
Get out. that fellow.
You know what I like? You don't hide that. He say UK. I will pay for everything, hotel everything, but when we reach there, we go wait till we go do. Because I say not be me and you.
Can you imagine?
Anyway, we don't kick start already, so we'll just breeze through some of the topical arrangements when they go on.
Okay, so you get one woman where we say she leave her inheritance for her cat. She say her children know they come visit her. So but the cat they
keep and come. Where this one happen UK?
For abroad, yes.
Before call, they not get sense now. They get sense.
If you say this kind of happen, you sure say the children no go find that cat.
No, not for abroad, but
the
woman is from China. But na abroad, yeah.
Okay.
So the woman, they say she leave $2.8 million.
That's not small money. That's heavy money.
$2.8 million.
Okay.
Now she leave as inheritance
for the pet.
Yes. Claiming say now
pussycat. Yes, now pussycat. Like pussycat now.
Yes, cat.
I show. How they call them for Yoruba?
Now pussy now.
Okay. Hausa na muskule.
That would be like Musulu.
I might hear the gist. Okay.
So they say the woman come from Shanghai and name na Mrs. Liu. Say she cut her 3 children out of her will because they no visit her to care for them. according to the South China Morning Post. So originally, Miss Liu been planned to leave her well to her children, but they say she can't change her mind due to lack of contact
with her children, or the same children when she born. Okay.
Yes. So for the updated will, she insists say all the money they must use them to look after the pets. And any future offspring where the pet go born.
The children of the cat and the grandchildren of the cat and the great grandchildren of the cat.
Yes.
Continue.
So they must use them for the pets and any future offspring with a local vet clinic where they don't have, say they go pay the money to the local vet clinic.
Okay.
Where they take care of the cat plus the children and the children. So now waiting she wants, make them use manage her inheritance and care for the animals. So she said she wanted to leave all her money directly to her pets. They say, but they can't tell her and say it's not allowed in China. Say,
she's still there alive.
She's still there alive. So, but she don't that will because she don't put down. So they say, but this is not allowed in China. Chen Kai will be one official from the Will Registration Center. When they talk for the headquarters waiting for Beijing, he said, however, there are alternatives to solve this issue. Liu's current will is one way, and we would have advised her to appoint a person she trusts to supervise the vet clinic so that they go fit perform they go fit ensure so they take care of the pets the way we say she wants. So the official account they warn Miss Liu about the risk of giving all the money to the vet clinic. Yes, they say we told Auntie Liu that if her children change their attitude towards her, she could always alter her will again.
So this now wetin I think. First of all, I know that pain of a parents when we say your children not able bother reach out to you, especially at old age, you get. But I don't think that is enough to take them out of the way. Then you know if we see person give the way. Now pets. Now I also understand they taking care of cats for their day little bit expensive. But $2.3 million. So $2.8 million for cat and the offering is out of wickedness. Now it be that because he not get how the cat want live lavishly. Cat don't they go hotel. You know they carry woman. He not go they do chicho. You not go they do.
Go buy car.
He not go buy car. So that money is almost like a waste. But then again, you get what I suspect. Mona check who get this vet clinic. Hopes it not be sugar boy. No, let's be sincere.
If not sugar boy, then where she no will the money to the sugar boy?
No, he got one because children go vest for the sugar boy. If you don't want to vet clinic, the office in a cat he won't really give. Meanwhile, my boyfriend get the vet clinic.
Somebody say, what if somebody now adopt that pet? Come out from the clinic.
And that's another thing to take.
Now then go they take. Now then the money.
Now they go take responsibility for the cat now. But me, I feel they wrong. But me, I feel say the woman they very very angry and bitter at her children. So she won't decide to say, okay, say now they do this thing to me. If I go do the one we go pay now. So now out of anger and bitterness, now she take.
I think you see why I still like China. If now like USA and UK she do this kind of thing, I'm not sure anybody will oppose her.
They don't go oppose her.
They don't go oppose her straight. But China, here what they tell her. They say it cannot be done here. But these now other ways you can go. Or ways you will have a change of heart against for your children body, which will really make sense. Yeah. But that cat right now, maybe the children, that cat now swan enemy. If I see her, I go chop her.
You go chop her. You know, you remember when we did small, our last one, when she did this small, my papa go bring cat. I don't know what the cat do this girl. One day, we just hear meow from the fridge. Couldn't wonder say where this cat they cry from. We open fridge, this girl carry the cat for inside fridge. Why? I don't know. Then she go carry the cat up by the tail, whine and fling am for wall.
You know, like maybe if you say that they get.
No.
You know the children they jealous of pets, they get attention more than
pets too. They jealous so. Yeah, sometimes say whenever, especially when you just born pikin, attention go shift to newborn baby.
I think the closest one I don't hear of inheritance like that. I think that when Larry King died, when he can review see all inheritance, you know Larry King that time the broadcaster, for with CNN that we used to do, CNN. When he died, say his wife and his children, he not leave any inheritance for now his side chick and his children.
Wow.
Guess what? Nobody even know say Larry King get side chick until he die. Until that week come outside. Why you know had the wife and the children join? The one we marry now because they say his wife not accept his side chick children.
Can you imagine?
And the side chick children are in children.
Now in children, so you know accept and when they are alive. And the wife and the children when married, when he be rich, when he be children though, they enjoy her when he they alive. So now the time for the side chick and your children to enjoy it well now when we say daughter. So according to the story, when he not live one single and you know how like the king they heavy and the money he live and guess what, the man was even a black woman self. So he bring big controversy that time. That was the understanding.
I wouldn't surprised say Larry King marry, because according to one particular documentary where I see some years back, they talk about celebrities where their marriages fail because of their careers, because of how married them date to their careers. And for Larry King, he said like 3-4 times he don't marry. So I surprised right now to hear say he actually even married. He get wife and children.
Because he gets side chick and 2 children outside when he leave the inheritance for now. So now they flex the money right now. So that was he don't understand.
So assuming say the wife may accept the side chick now,
maybe for share between them. Maybe for share.
Wow, that's crazy. All right, so the next one on top the agenda. One lady, Anastasia Odochi Uchenna Ozemena, she says she get message for mothers, you know, or maybe you be guiding too. You guide a daughter, you take care of a child. You say if you get teenage pikin, where they close to our pastor, say you better make you get heart-to-heart conversation with her, especially if number 1 the pastor they fond of her, number 2 the pastor they call to check when she's not in church, not just to check up, they ask so much.
Ask so much with emotions.
So much with emotions. 3, if he dey uncomfortable when he sees her with young men in the church or elsewhere, you will notice how he dey scold her with jealousy for him.
Stay away from these boys, so you know they are not good though. You go for your mind, you say they help your daughter. Maybe when I interested, they protect.
Or maybe they see say maybe she they do in-house chores for them, like help them.
They invite your daughter, say come and wash clothes, come and do this.
Wash clothes. Or if you give her leadership role in church, even when she's not the most suitable,
you say your daughter they blessed by the pastor. Me when something else they bless them.
Something else they bless them. Something else like what?
Or if they make silly jokes around and about her, or if they compliment them too much with the beauty of physique, or if they call the house and she's the only one he asks about.
Every
other people. Or he always tell her say that is wait after service.
I want to see you.
or he always tell her say get prophecy about her.
Hey. Oh God.
Bondage.
Out of all your other children, now that's only she they get prophecy on top. Because say dear sisters, you don't read a cartel of pedophiles. They are all over the town. To make everybody vigilant.
It not even has to be all these points. When if not even one self you notice, get her to have discussion with your daughter. You get, because a lot of people with such power, you know how religious leaders are so powerful. Such power can easily manipulate the mind of the young. You get me? And most times they don't go able to talk about until years. Some self till now they don't go through this thing, but they don't fit talk about it. Maybe something can happen in future and they'll talk about it. So it's very necessary, and only an observing mother or father go notice all these things.
You know, there are a lot of factors that's they play inside this whole matter. You know, with the kind culture we do for inside, so the kind reverence where parents get for pastor, especially our mothers. Now, this no be to berate mothers, talk say then they bad or anything, but you know, we women will be emotional beings. So when you see somebody inside that capacity, you go think say the first thing will come your mind no be you want to do something to my pikin. You go because you see him as a father.
Now they talk now.
And I understand what they talk. So many angles there to play about them. So now we say we go need to put a balance of emotions and logic together. They're very necessary right now because so many things they go on. Well, I feel relate to a few things, but the age no, because he say because when I confront him, he say just one protects me. I did in my 20s. I did second year for university, church where they attend for just, and the pastor come tell me say, if you see me they talk, even with you, Becca,
even with your same gender,
he goes spoil the friendship. He go, yes, he go call you, tell you say
protect the interest.
Waiting, but you don't marry. You get wife.
Now see interesting.
Wetin una dey talk about?
Interest on top the capital.
Take transport money, they go as. You don't do am like several times. If you see me with guy, that one day was. If you will call the guy, say wetin una dey talk about.
For your money,
you get interest. You get interest. You go. I tell my second when you tell me say you know one here say I won't marry. If not, you go beat me. I did too small. But when I know if you take am again, I leave the church. You can't send for me. Say now because of wetin they do me. Say now you just won't protect me. You don't want
they hide under protection.
You don't want make anybody. I don't fit tell anybody this thing. When eventually when I come open up to my to Popsy, tell him say see wetin happen. He asked me one question. He say, how you dey feel right now? I say I still dey feel angry.
Yeah.
He say you understand. Say wetin him do now? Say him manipulate me. Say in a case of I know if he get you, I know if he have you. Nobody else
will get you. You can imagine the craze.
Not even just pastors, even some other fathers as well, like reverend fathers.
I did it father-in-law. I did careful. And I made it clear who my father in the Lord be. And from the years where he don't mentor me.
No matter who be your father-in-law, make it get limits. No one to say stop.
Okay, so somebody here they add in own comments. He say he used to be a father's boy, like for Catholic setting. So he used to be a father's boy. Say he worked under a priest for the Catholic Church for years. So if you relate with everything with this woman, don't talk. He say all the women have said. He says some of these things she did not had. His father is buying your 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22-year-old girl an iPhone with the disguise that she's doing well in school. Or she's well behaved. Or guy well behaved now starting collecting. Woto. You have 3 girls and the one closest to the pastor, Reverend Father, is the one that her skin is finer. Or now she gets that nice, well-built shape. Or now she, they grow with all those physical characteristics where they show. Say some women too, they always send their daughters. Some of them go even give these fathers. They go give them food after service. They go put out for cooler. So,
sometimes the intentions of these mothers they
pure. Yeah. Say they go carry food give these fathers, not knowing say some other things feel they go on in between.
Or everybody take careful though. Want to conduct deliverance for
now everybody to take careful. Anyway, another hack, especially those in Lagos and Nigeria right now, from my experience, when I think when I need to keep, especially if you drive your own car, one, if you drive, make sure say you dey 6 feet away from the car for your front. The reason be say if anything will happen, if you go left or right, escape. But not to the day close to car.
No, they kiss the car.
The car. Give space 6 feet away.
Yeah.
Then secondly, make sure say your central lock. They say you lock out as you start your car. Everybody don't enter. Press your central lock. For those people when their car not be auto central lock, make sure say your car they lock. Then if you use AC, that means you always wind up. And if anybody stop you at any given moment, say whether not the person they uniform, you never day in uniform, not just carry road down. Finish, just leave a small space. I think because the way the country be right now, all of us need to be very extra careful and also they vigilant. The reason why that mirror for inside car and the side mirror they now for you to they look back, not be only when you revise. Always they observant which car they follow you for too long. Yes, if car to follow you more than 3 minutes, 4 minutes for the same road, my brother, something is wrong. If you go left, you go right, it's follow you, my brother. Look for the next police station, drive enter, or look for where busy, they very busy. Just drive enter. And again, too, as citizens of this country, sometime when you see people when they carry stop for road, whether they be police officer or the other people, sometimes you stop to ask what is going wrong, what is going on. Not be say every moment, they don't catch her now. Pew. More be our brother's keeper. You get me. If you see somebody waiting they go on, you get. And they do it most time. They
ask you say, "Okay, come on, what is your business?"
Just what is the problem? Now your right to know what they happen to your fellow brother.
I know they say the strength they in numbers.
Yes.
So if people gather say waiting they go on for here, if they whatever they want to do, they know if you do.
You know the set of people they love pass. You know because it talks say strength is in numbers. Okada riders. Oh my God! The moment 1 or 2 of them. Forget.
See,
all of them go they stop.
Sometimes I feel so Okada rider not be Nigeria citizen because they are unity.
Yeah.
See, I'm not even talking about normal Okada rider when they use them till they carry patch. Even dispatch rider. If one dispatch rider stop today, you stop this. Before you know, like 15 of them.
They will gather around. They won't know what is up. What is they stop?
So I feel say they get WhatsApp group whenever they report. We are there, pure. You go notice say. because say they united, you know, if you want to oppress whoever you want.
Yes.
But I think we should also more left for Okada rider, this part rider.
Yeah.
You get when you see your
fellow
Nigeria, whether na man or woman, or no people stop and they try bring out. You stop, ask what is happening. You get now you're right. Ask what is happening, then you before you go know what's up and the rest them.
This that kind of thing they happen. They fit grab people like that.
Yeah.
They fit grab them. Say you know they legit. If you grab them, hand them over to the authorities.
To authority too. You get me. Very important.
Where will they go? Don Belly don't come with the big voice. He Don Belly with the big belly.
All right. Many thanks to you for watching. I beg, may you try like and subscribe to this page so you go enjoy so many other fantastic content from Naija FM 102.7. Too much.